Good morning dear students. Welcome to the class Statistics and Analytics Lab. So let us move on to the next unit. Unit number 3, Measure of Location and Dispersion. So in this video, topics covered are mean, mode and median. Let us see how mean, mode and median are calculated for the given data set. So mean, mode and median are different measures of central tendencies in a numerical data set. So these things are called as central tendencies, and these central tendencies are calculated for numerical data set. Numerical data set means a data set which contains numerical data. That is, a data set which contains quantitative data. So for quantitative data, we can calculate mean, mode and median. So let us see how these things are calculated. First, mean. So let us understand what is mean. Mean andre ಏನು? So ನಿಮಗೆ ಇದು already ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. So mean andre average. So this is the average of all the data in the data set. So how average is calculated? Average is calculated by adding all the data in the data set and dividing the answer by the number of data. ಆ ಡೇಟಾ ಸೆಟ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಎಲ್ಲ ಡೇಟಾಗಳನ್ನು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬಂದಂಥ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಡೇಟಾ ಇದೆಯೋ ಆ ನಂಬರಿಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಮೀನ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಸೆ ಡೇಟಾ ಸೆಟ್ ಕಂಟೈನ್ಸ್ 3 ಡೇಟಾ 4, 1 and 7. So mean is calculated by adding 4, 1 and 7 and dividing the answer by 3. So if you add 4, 1 and 7, you will get 12. 12 divided by 3 is 4. Why divided by 3? Divided by 3 because there are 3 data in the data set. So the mean of this data set is 4. Then mode. So mode is the most frequent data. Mode is the most frequent data. That is, the data that occurs the highest number of times in the data set. What is that? The data that occurs the highest number of times in the data set is called as mode. In other words, data which repeats highest number of times in the data set is called as mode. So data set ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಡೇಟಾ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಸರಿ ಬಂದಿದೆಯೋ ಇಲ್ಲ ಯಾವ ಡೇಟಾ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯೋ ಆ ಡೇಟಾವನ್ನು ಮೋಡ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಸಿ ಡೇಟಾ ಸೆಟ್ contains 7 data. So in that data set you can observe data 2 occurs 3 times. Data 2 ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಾರಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? 3 ಸಾರಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ. Then data 4 occurs 2 times. Data 8, it is there only once, and also data 3, it is there only once. So data 2 repeats more number of times. 3 times it is repeated in that data set. So data 2 is called as mode of this data set. Then median. So this you have already learnt in box plot. Box plot ಅಲ್ಲಿ median ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ನೀವು ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ರಿ. So median ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು? Median means it is which quartile? Median means quartile 2. Quartile 2 is called as median. So median is the middle data in the data set. Median is middle data in the data set. So how this is calculated or how this is found? Median is found first by arranging the data set in ascending order and then picking out the one in the middle. So data set ಅನ್ನು ascending order ಅಲ್ಲಿ arrange ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು middle ಅಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಡೇಟಾವನ್ನು ನಾವು median ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೇವೆ. See, if there are two data in the middle, then you need to take mean of those two data. You need to take average of those two data. Then that average becomes median. Okay, so let me give you example for this. First example, see, in this example data set contains 11 data. There are 11 data in the data set. Remember, 11 is odd number. So there are odd number of data in the data set. So first you need to arrange this data set in ascending order. So if you arrange this data set in ascending order, the data set is like this. Then you need to find the middle data. You need to find the middle data. So which is the middle data here? Middle data is 23. So idanna easy agi hege find ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ ನಾನು. This you can easily find by hiding rightmost data and leftmost data. Okay, so let me mark there. So which is leftmost data? This is leftmost data. You need to hide this. Then rightmost data, hide this. Okay, then next leftmost data you hide this. Next rightmost data you hide this. So in this manner you hide data like this. So only one data remains at the center, that is 23. Now that 23 is called as median. So this is the easiest method of finding the middle data, that is median. So ಈ ರೀತಿ ನೀವು median ಅನ್ನು find out ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Okay, let me give you one more example. The data set which contains even number of data. Example 2. See, now data set contains 12 data. Data set contains 12 data which is even number. So now also you need to arrange the data in ascending order. So this is the data after arranging in ascending order. Now there are two middle numbers. There are two middle numbers. Which are those? 23 and 24. There are two middle numbers. See, the middle numbers can be calculated once again by hiding leftmost data and rightmost data. So by hiding data like this, two data remains now at the center. You can see. So two data remains, 23 and 24. Now you need to take mean of those two data. Averdu data the mean anna find out ಮಾಡಿ. So how to find out mean? By adding those two data and by dividing the answer by 2. So 23 plus 24 divided by 2, which is equal to 23.5. So this is median. So this is how median is calculated when there are even number of data in the data set. So this is about this video. So in this video we learnt about central tendencies, mean, mode and median. Thank you.